Replacing the windows in your home is a significant investment that can improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase property value. However, homeowners in Jacksonville Beach face a unique set of challenges due to the coastal environment and the specific needs of their homes. Whether you're upgrading your existing windows or replacing damaged ones, it's crucial to avoid common mistakes that can compromise the success of the project. Here's a guide to help you navigate the window replacement process with confidence. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when replacing windows is selecting the wrong type for their home. In Jacksonville Beach, where the weather can be harsh and coastal saltwater can accelerate wear and tear, it's important to choose windows that are durable and weather-resistant. For example, vinyl and fiberglass windows are great choices for coastal areas because they are highly resistant to saltwater corrosion and don't require frequent maintenance. Wood windows, although aesthetically pleasing, may not be the best option for homes in salt-laden environments as they are prone to rot and warping. Be sure to consider energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and dual glazing to protect against the harsh Florida sun and help lower energy bills. Not all windows are made the same, so choose the one that meets both aesthetic preferences and functional needs specific to the Jacksonville Beach climate. Skimping on quality. When it comes to replacing windows, quality should be a top priority. Opting for cheaper, lower quality windows might seem like a good way to save money in the short term, but it can lead to problems down the road. Poor quality windows may have issues with sealing, energy efficiency, and durability, causing them to require replacement sooner than expected. Additionally, investing in high-quality windows can significantly boost your home's value. If you plan to sell your home in the future, buyers will appreciate energy-efficient windows that offer long-term savings. By spending a little more on quality, you can enjoy greater peace of mind and avoid expensive repairs in the future. Neglecting proper installation. Even the best windows can underperform if they aren't installed correctly. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and even damage to your home's structure. This is especially crucial in Jacksonville Beach, where humidity and rain are common. That's why hiring experienced, professional window installers is essential. A skilled team will ensure that your windows are properly sealed and installed, preventing issues that can arise from faulty installation. In addition, hiring a professional team ensures compliance with local building codes and regulations, which is especially important when replacing windows in hurricane-prone areas like Jacksonville Beach. The last thing you want is to install windows that don't meet the local hurricane impact requirements. Overlooking hurricane protection. Jacksonville Beach is located in a hurricane-prone area, and protecting your home from high winds and flying debris is critical. Many homeowners forget to consider hurricane-resistant windows or neglect to add additional storm protection when replacing their windows. While some windows are designed to withstand high-impact winds, it's essential to ensure that they meet the required standards for hurricane resistance. Look for windows labeled as hurricane impact windows, or consult with your contractor to determine the best option for protecting your home. While these windows may cost more upfront, they provide peace of mind and can save you money on potential repairs if a storm does hit. Ignoring energy efficiency. Windows are one of the primary sources of energy loss in a home. In a coastal area like Jacksonville Beach, energy efficiency is particularly important due to the hot summers and high humidity. When replacing windows, don't overlook energy-efficient options that can help keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, ultimately reducing your energy bills. Look for windows with a high Energy Star rating, and consider double or triple glazing to reduce heat transfer. Low emissivity, low E, glass coatings are also a great option to minimize UV damage to your furnishings and prevent heat from entering or escaping your home. Failing to plan for maintenance. While modern windows require less maintenance than older models, they still need care to maintain their functionality and appearance. One mistake many homeowners make is failing to plan for window maintenance. While you don't need to clean your windows every day, you should regularly inspect them for signs of damage, wear, and dirt buildup. Additionally, make sure you're aware of how to care for the specific type of windows you choose, whether it's cleaning the tracks on sliding windows or ensuring seals are intact. Not considering the aesthetic. While functionality and durability are essential, don't forget about the aesthetic value of your windows. The windows you choose will significantly impact your home's curb appeal. Whether you prefer traditional, modern, or coastal-inspired designs, make sure the windows complement the overall style of your home. For homes in Jacksonville Beach, a coastal aesthetic often works well, with windows that maximize natural light and offer expansive views. Consider window styles such as casement or picture windows to bring in the beauty of the beach surroundings. Conclusion. Replacing windows is a significant investment that can pay off in terms of both comfort and value. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that the process goes smoothly and your new windows will serve you well for years to come. Choose the right type of window, prioritize quality, ensure proper installation, and consider energy efficiency and hurricane protection to get the most out of your window replacement project in Jacksonville Beach. With careful planning and the right professionals by your side, you can enjoy a more beautiful, energy efficient, and protected home.